feel extremely glad to welcome every one of you to this amazing conference. SAR IIIM Branch Laboratory, Srinagar, in particular Dr. Nashim. Immense pleasure that well recognized in their own fields, particularly in plant for some pertinent issues faced in the cultivation. Equal to the scientists, students, volunteers of branch laboratory who worked tirelessly to make this possible, to organize this event, without whom it was not possible to conduct this amazing meeting.
And we are actually working on crop plants. Our crop plants mainly 5 crops: rice, wheat, chickpea, mustard and pigeon pea. And I am lucky to have my RSC chairman, Professor Supuri.
This particular area, and we will be hearing from them, learning from them. So this is a good opportunity. Young scientists, young students are here. I am sure that they will learn from this conference and take plant science to new heights.
To me. So I'll not take much of time, but a couple of things I would like to just mention over here. Gone are the days when the sciences like zoology, botany, chemistry, physics, they used to be confined within the labs of the universities and colleges. The research would be conducted inside the labs. And what was the outcome of the research would never directly go out. It would take decades together to just percolate down to the practical field and then develop things and objects and then apply it in the real life.
In this category. Further, this conference is a great occasion to welcome our chief guest of today. On behalf of our institution, I welcome our chief guest, Professor Sudhir Kumar Sopuri, currently holding the position of Serb Distinguished Scientist at ICGEB New Delhi.
Working for the last 50 years. And even after working for 50 years, you realize how ignorant you are about how plants function. That's so much deep work which is being conducted world over on this area that one finds out that you're not minuscule of data. You hardly have an idea about how different
environmental conditions. How do they respond? Both the perception, the signal transduction, metabolic changes that occur. So that's the kind of research which we have been working on. All the variety stresses, but some of those